So this is now on, and it is amazing looking. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this super cool thing, and I'm serious guys, I am so excited to get unboxing this. So this is Cyber Cube, and let's show you guys what it looks like. Presentation is everything, and look how cool this is. I mean, just the box alone is so awesome. Pause the video for a couple specs. So I'm just going to go ahead and say this is one of the coolest looking devices I've seen. Definitely one of the coolest Bluetooth speakers in the world. I mean, this is so cool that I kind of want to keep this as a collector's item. That's how much I love this. I mean, this is so cool. Seriously, one of the coolest, if not the coolest, Bluetooth speaker in the entire world. You guys are missing out. You definitely need one of these. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, it just keeps getting cooler. So we're going somewhere dark because you guys got to see the full effect of this. This is insane. I mean, this was so cool. The starting of it. So if you press and hold this power button, it turns on a flashlight, which, may I add, is actually very bright. Look how bright that little flashlight is. So you press and hold to turn the flashlight off, but there are other modes. So you press and hold it to turn it off. Now if you press down on that same button, when you turn it off, so amazing. Okay guys, I could play with this forever, but let's just go ahead and turn it on. There's so many features. You guys gotta check out the manual. I mean, you seriously have to. There's just tons, and it's multi-language, but there's so many features. We could be here for a day just talking about them. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it. Once you have it turned on, go under your Bluetooth settings, whatever device you're using, click pair, and right there, it found it. Okay. All right, it makes like a splash sound when it's connected. We're gonna go ahead and load up some audio. You've gotta be kidding me, guys. The volume is amazing. So let's go ahead and first show you. You can control the volume of your MP3 player or phone by turning this. We're gonna max it out. You can skip to the next song by pressing back or forward. I mean, this thing is amazing. You can pause it by pressing the button. Play by pressing the button. I mean, guys, this is truly amazing. This is so cool. Okay, now let's play the audio. Copyright-free song by NEFFEX.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own.
You guys hear how loud that is?
Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got some.
We're going in another room.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the woods.
Like, I can hear it from another room. All right, we're now in our kitchen. We're now in our dining room. I can still hear it in person. And I can hear the audio clear. Like, we are in a whole section of another house. And I can personally hear it perfectly fine from that little device. Insane.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend.
Seriously, guys, the best. I mean, the best for audio, the best for quality, the best. I mean, and then we haven't even touched all the features. So in here, I mean, even the power jack is hidden with this cool. I'm telling you guys, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I seriously want them all. They make different colors and different styles. I want them all. I want them all. That's how much I love this.